Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the below my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys. Sorry I have not been uploading. I'm actually uploading a video right now. It's been about 2 weeks since I did any uploads, about a week and a half to 2 weeks. I did do an unboxing, but I didn't upload it. It's actually being uploaded right now as I speak, as this video is being recorded. Yeah, still got the black glove on. If y'all don't know, the reason why I'm wearing one black glove like Luke Skywalker is because I literally got 2nd-degree burns on my hand, which is right here, then up my wrist and stuff like that. So I basically try to keep it covered with a bracelet and stuff like that. I do have marks and stuff on my arm. I am going to have to get a hand tattoo, depend on if my hand pigment does not get back to its original color, then I am going to have to get a hand tattoo to cover up those burn marks. But yeah, so if you guys don't know, I am building a new computer. So here we go right here. Let's get this right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I am going to try to keep this hand out of the video because I do have burn marks on my wrist and on my forearm like that. So yeah, so what did I buy? I got this right here by Akko. These are the Akko creamy blue pros on V3s, which is already lubed. So let's get them out of the box. I might buy another set of these, but y'all know I buy Akko stuff all the time. If y'all don't know, as you can see right there, Akko, this is what this keyboard is. I do have Akko switches. If y'all didn't see, I have videos like that. This one wasn't sent to me by Akko. I actually purchased this myself. I could have had this sent out for me from Akko, but I needed switches because I actually have a special surprise that's going to be coming in a couple of days or in the next week or two. So watch for the unboxing. Let's just say if I got these switches, I must be getting a keyboard. And let's just say the keyboard is coming from Glorious. So that right there should already tell you guys. So let's open this thing up real quick. And I love the way how Akko packs the switches. I might get more. I might order another one of these. Let's get this open really quick. Okay, and these is already factory lubed. Let's try to get one out. So here we go right there. I know this shit is gonna sound good when I type, man. This feels really good. This is, I believe tactile. I don't know if it's linear or tactile. Let me see. These are actually doesn't even tell me on the box. I think these are linear. Between linear and tactile. These are not clickies, so just to let y'all know. So that's what it sounds like. All right, guys, so that's that right there. Here's my sticker RAM right here. I mean, my sticker RAM, Jesus Christ. My hard drive right here. Here's my Corsair Vengeance, 32 gigabytes right there, DDR5. And here's the motherboard right here that I'll be building everything in right there. So my CPU will be coming tomorrow. So tomorrow I will be doing my new PC build. And I am going to mess with some of these switches. I'm just going to pop it in a couple of my, on one of my keyboards, which I have another Akko keyboard in the room. And I'm just going to mess with it and see how that feels. So, yeah. So that's this right here. Let's just move this out of the way. So that's that right there. Just get that out the way. And get some pictures. And I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, become part of the DY Easy Gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.